Looking for an SD card that keeps up with your creative vision? The SanDisk Extreme Pro 128GB SD card delivers blazing speeds and massive storage, designed to capture stunning 4K UHD video and high-resolution photos without missing a beat. I've used this card for everything from shooting full HD slow-motion clips to recording 4K footage on demanding projects. What stands out is the read speed of up to 250 megabytes per second and write speed reaching 170 megabytes per second on higher capacities, ensuring your camera never slows down when capturing those critical moments. With 128 gigabytes of storage, you can record hours of 4K UHD video, up to 2,808 minutes at 30 frames per second. That means fewer interruptions to swap cards and more time focusing on your craft. Plus, SanDisk's U3 and V30 speed class ratings guarantee smooth video recording without dropped frames or glitches. What really matters is reliability. SanDisk Extreme Pro cards are built tough to withstand harsh conditions, from extreme temperatures to rough handling on set or in the field. You get peace of mind knowing your footage is safe no matter where your shoots take you. Managing your content is just as easy. The SanDisk Memory Zone desktop app helps you back up, organize, and transfer files quickly, whether you're using an SD card slot or an external reader. This seamless workflow saves time and keeps your projects on track. If you're serious about video and photography, this card is worth a look. It balances speed, capacity, and durability in a way that supports professional workflows without compromise. Whether you're capturing cinematic 4K or detailed stills, it won't hold you back. Ready to upgrade your gear? The SanDisk Extreme Pro 128GB SD card offers what you need to capture larger-than-life moments and manage your files efficiently. Try it when you're ready to push your creative limits and trust your storage to a proven brand.